The Arduino, which is programmed to trigger the first entry, is connected to the router using this RJ45 color yellow. This RJ45 will go through the router. This router will be the source of internet connection for the notification when there's an intruder. Also, this router is connected to the IP camera. This IP camera is used to capture the image of the intruder. So here it goes. When there's an intruder, you will be notified by your Android phone using Notify application.
Alert. Intruder detected.
And upon receiving the Nutrify notification, you can check your email and the image that captured by the IP camera is saved in your email. Here are some sample of the pictures that being captured.